Namaste everybody, my name is Vinay. Today we are going to look into an asana that is going to strengthen the legs, the knees especially. This asana is called Utkatasana. Utkatasana, popularly known as the chair posture because it resembles the chair. It's an excellent asana for the lower extremities, the muscles of your quadriceps, the knees, the calf muscles and also the ankles. How that is done is you lay down the mat, step on it, take 1 foot distance between your feet. Feet should be hip length apart, toes pointing out in the front. Just observe this once and we can do this again. I'll show you from 2 sides. It's very, very important. Gently as you inhale, raise both your hands up, raise your heels, come up on your toes. While exhaling, gently bend your knees, keep your back straight and take your entire body down. Place your hips on your heels. The upper body is relaxed, knees should not flare out, keep them close to each other. Stay there for a few breaths, very gently. When you're coming up, it's very, very important that you keep your back straight and don't jerk your body. So use your leg muscles gently, keeping the back straight, gently come up. Hold this posture again for a few breaths and gently take your hands and heels down simultaneously. Observe this asana from an angle now. We will also use the breathing rhythm that's called the Yogendra rhythm at the institute. But first, just observe the asana for your benefit. 1 foot distance, hands by the side. Inhaling, gently raise both your hands up, raise your heels. Exhaling, keeping your back straight. Gently go down as much as you can. Place your hips on your heels, upper body is relaxed. Don't lean forward, just keep the back straight. Stay there for a few breaths. And gently, while inhaling, keeping the back straight, engaging the legs, gently come up. Stay there for a few breaths. And exhaling, bring your hands and heels down. Now, the breathing pattern in this is very, very specific. If you want to do it, it is beneficial. So, what we do is inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Suspend 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2 and 3. That is Utkatasana for you. Limitations, contraindications, people with severe arthritis, knee injuries, very stiff joints, vertigo should be mindful. It's an excellent asana for the strength of your legs, for the strength of your knees, for the strength of your calf muscles and your ankle joints also. An excellent asana for the lower extremities. So do practice this. Another thing that you can consider this is sometimes it is easier to go down, but quite challenging to come up. So just go down as much as you can. This is a better asana than leaning forward and going down. So keep the back straight, go down as much as you can, come up and release the posture. This can also be done in your house with the help of a wall in case you're finding it difficult to balance. Hold the wall, raise your entire body up, come up on the heels, go down as much as you can again. This strengthens the muscles which protect the knee joints. Gently come up and gently release your posture. Please practice Utkatasana for the strength of your legs and protecting your knee joints. Thank you very much.